Welcome to Product Critique, where we break down the best products for your wish list, one toy at a time. And today, we're diving into what might just be the best Hatchimals set ever made, the Hatchimals Alive Hatchi-Nursery Playset. Right from the box, this set is packed with fun and surprise. You get 4 mini Hatchimals in self-hatching eggs, 13 playful accessories, and a full nursery-themed playset that brings the magic of Hatchimals to life in a whole new way. If you've ever wanted a toy that mixes water play, imagination, and cute collectible characters, this one checks all the boxes. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the hatching experience itself. This isn't just crack-it-open packaging. The eggs hatch right in front of your eyes using water. You place the surprise eggs into the built-in nursery pool, then fill up the cloud with water, tip it, and watch the rainbow pour over the eggs. Like magic, the shells soften and crack open to reveal 4 adorable baby Hatchimals all at once. The fact that they hatch together makes the reveal even more fun and super satisfying for kids. But the experience doesn't stop at the hatching. Once the characters are out, the nursery becomes their little world. There's a slide for playtime, a cozy nap area, a kitchen to feed your Hatchimals, and a playroom for storytime and snuggles. It's a great way for kids to engage in pretend play and storytelling, helping develop creativity as they take care of their new friends. The accessories in this set really add to the role-playing. You get 4 tiny pacifiers, a fabric blanket, a booster seat, a fridge that actually opens, a mobile, and lots more, 13 accessories in total. Everything fits nicely into the playset, making it feel like a complete world. It's compact but packed with detail. One standout feature is that it's not just a one-time hatching moment. You can use the playset again and again with other Hatchimals Alive eggs which are sold separately. That means the fun doesn't end after the first hatch. Kids can expand their collection and keep the nursery buzzing with new arrivals. As for build quality, it's solid and durable enough to withstand enthusiastic play. It's designed for kids ages 3 and up, and everything from the parts to the eggs is safe for small hands. Cleanup is easy since it doesn't require batteries or tech, just water and imagination. And if you're shopping for the holidays, this is a fantastic gift option. Whether it's going into a gift basket, a stocking, or wrapped under the tree, the Hatchimals Alive Nursery Playset is a showstopper. The colorful design, interactive play, and surprise element make it stand out from the usual toy sets. So, to sum it up, 4 Hatchimals that hatch themselves, 13 fun accessories, a nursery full of activities, and endless ways to play. No wonder this set is flying off shelves. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking to give a magical, hands-on toy that delivers a wow moment, the Hatchimals Alive Hatchi-Nursery is the one to beat. See you next time for more top picks and product breakdowns.